Hello everyone, I'm Justin, the process technical engineer at Leetx. Today I will introduce our WCS.2000 Cordless system and show it how it delivered stable precision, seamless connectivity, and complete production data management for modern assembly. Let's start with accuracy and cordless performance. The system delivers stable 6 gemma plus and minus 5% tightening precision, while the integrated Wi-Fi 6 model provides high-speed cordless communication, allowing tightening data and torque angle curves to be transmitted to the controller instantly. The dual maintenance for tightening performance with either 18-volt or 66-volt batteries, combined with a lightweight 1.6 kg body. Operators can work comfortably throughout non-production shifts. In real production, temporary network interruptions shouldn't interrupt your data. Once the connection is installed, the system automatically reactions with 5 seconds, ensuring every tightening record is security synchronized and fully traceable. Our WCS.2000 controller can support major industrial communication protocols. Ethernet, Ethernet IP. For one controller, we can control 10 tools, making large-scale deployment simple while reducing hardware investment. The integrated 5-inch touchscreen gives operator direct access to tightening program, production history, equipment setting, and production parameters. Most daily operations can be completed directly on the controller without additional device. To cover different assembly scenarios, Leetx offers a completed cordless tool portfolio. The EWP pistol tool is ideal for compact precision assembly, while the EWA angle tool is designed for narrow workspace, covering a total range from 0.5 to 105 mm. For production management, our data insight platform provides overlay curves. We can support to overlay the curves and to help process department and quality department to improve process control and make data-driven decision. If you are looking for a cordless tightening solution with high precision, reliable connectivity, and completed data traceability, Leetx WCS.2000 is ready to power your next smart factory project. Thanks for your watching.